This video will show you how to replace the serpentine belt that goes around the alternator and water pump on a Ford Transit-250. This will be mounted along the front of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're making our way down along the front of the engine compartment. In this area is where we can see our belt. Let's start the removal process with our serpentine belt tensioner towards the driver's side of the engine, located just underneath this housing. So I'm using my 15mm to make my way down to my tensioner. I'm using a regular wrench for this. I'm going to be turning this counterclockwise. This does release tension from the belt. Now, while I hold pressure on this, I need to carefully remove that serpentine belt from the water pump pulley we can see up along the top area here. Now, this can be difficult to reach down by hand, so I'm just using an angled pick. If you can do it by hand, you can just do it that way. So it can be difficult getting the belt off, just requires a little bit of patience here. There we go, we can remove our tool. Now, before we fully remove this belt, just pay attention to the routing of it. There's really only a few pulleys that it goes around. Slide this off. Go ahead and remove the belt. There it is, friend. Before we get the belt in place, let's make sure we clean these pulleys. I'm going to use some compressed air. Now let's install that other belt. As for the belt, I'm coming all the way down to my harmonic balancer. That's the lowest pulley in the center of the engine. Let's start there. I'm just going to get the belt in place. As we get this in position, we have to make sure it's in the proper routing, and we also want to make sure it's seated properly along each one of the pulleys. This can be fairly difficult. Now I'm just bringing the belt around the tensioner. Now I can get my tool on the tensioner itself. We're going to be pivoting this counterclockwise, releasing tension from that tensioner and belt, so I can get the belt in the proper positioning up along my water pump pulley. So I'm just pressing down on that tensioner. I'm sliding the belt over the smooth pulley of the tensioner. Now before we make our way out of here with the tool, one last quick inspection of our belts to confirm they're in the proper placement here. This looks good. Go ahead and remove your tool. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing we have to do is start the vehicle. Let it run for 5 seconds and turn it right back off. Make your way out here and triple check the belt routing, confirming that it's seated properly. Aside from that, close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.